Today is Friday, February 7th. This is the 1967 Cadillac Coupe de Ville power antenna. This is from my friend Cole in Montana. This will be shipping out as soon as I get his okay to ship, reply confirmation, and after I've completed the functional validation test. This is a complete rebuild where the unit was completely disassembled, fully serviced, and we're going to go ahead and power it up and look for the full extension contraction and the clutch mechanism functioning. This will be shipped out the same time I do his tilt and telescopic steering column, which was posted in a separate series of videos, and his trunk seal. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to apply power, and we'll be looking for the unit to rise. And the unit clutch enables after the third revolution, and we can see that we have full 36 inches of extension. And now we'll go ahead and do the contraction or retraction. And the unit self-parks with the clutch mechanism. Okay, this is George in Florida. I have over 375,000 original vintage parts from 1959 through 1976, all the way through 78 for the Cadillac Eldorados. I'm best known for my restoration of the Cadillac steering wheels, the tilt and telescopic steering columns, the power seat mechanisms, the instrument clusters, and other critical, hard-to-source original vintage Cadillac items. Today is Friday, February 7th. Thank you very kindly. This is George in Florida.